Hi guys! Today I'm showing you how I created this ring of paint swatches that has made my life so much easier. Not only can I see all of the colors, I can also see the finishes of the paint. So whether they're glossy or matte finish and just how glossy they are and just how matte they are. They're all labeled and numbered. So when I want to pick a paint palette, to use in my art journal, I can pull one of the cards out and then I can kind of leaf through all the other cards on the ring to find colors that go with the first color that I chose. So here you kind of see me flipping through and picking some colors and picking a palette that I really like and just pulling those cards out. Then I'll take the cards and pull the paints out of my stash and get started in my art journal. When I'm done, all I have to do is turn the cards over and put them back where they belong in numbered order. Now this was a little time consuming to create, but it has saved me so much time, it's so worth it. I hope you might try it too.